Where are we now, Martina? You're back in Okada. Okay. Mommy.
Good morning. Good morning.
So, mabilisan lang guys. We're back sa Okada.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like.
So, right now we're waiting for Mommy. Nag-check-in lang siya. And look at our princess. Hi. At what floor are we, Mommy? Huh? 16. Oh, 16th floor. Why don't you two flex out your outfit? Kanina inano niya eh.
Later we go swimming.
Sino po pala may birthday?
Mrs. ko pa.
Happy birthday po, ma.
Belated na sir, June talaga yan.
Yan pala.
Oo. Ngayon lang may time. Ayun. Thank you.
There you go. That's heavy.
It's a bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
So we're here sa room na. And since kami lang tatlo ngayon, yung small lang na room yung kinuha. Ang difference is wala siyang couch. Same yung itsura ng mga bed. Same nung mga pinunta namin before. Wala lang talaga siyang couch. Ayan. Living room. Wala lang daw siyang living room. Oo nga naman. Pag walang living room, walang couch. And then, pero meron pa siyang bathtub. Malaki pa rin naman yung CR. And then yung bed, so diretso lang. And living room lang talaga daw yung wala. So, living room. And ito. Closet. Robe. That's it.
Love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
Oh guys, so today we're going to see the view. Let's go check. Can see the view now. Go see the view. It's this one, move it first. Yes, the view is here. Come on. Here we go. I don't know what pool I'm using, but I'm gonna use this pool because I can reach it already. Not the baby pool anymore, the big pool. And there's the other pool. That one's much deeper. That one I think I can reach that already. Here where we are. Here's the other place, Okada. And we're gonna go swim there later at 3 o'clock. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Daddy, you have my video here.
So, what are you gonna say?
Bye!
Bye, okay.
We're gonna see each other later in the food.
Wow, the food. So you'll be the one to vlog later sa food.
Yeah, I'm gonna vlog later sa food. Hi guys, today we're going to jump. I'm just gonna fix it. Okay, good. Let's go jump. Ready? Let's go here. And then we jump. It's so fun. See you later sa lunch. Bye. We're gonna see you later in the lunch. I wish I had to play, but I'm gonna also do it. And after finish, ta 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 ta.
Tan tan tan. You do your skirt like it. Tan 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 tan. Tan 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 tan. So we're going to eat lunch daw. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch. So we're gonna see saan kami kakain. Yan at doon yan. So since may mga bagong resto na naman na nakabukas dito, maybe we're gonna try them.
I hope we're not gonna go down.
Dun, 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 dun. Aren't there any resto sa taas?
Bar lounge.
Okay, let's wait.
We're going down.
We're going up.
No, we're going down.
We're gonna swim na lang on Wednesday.
No, I'm just the last day. She's gonna be close with us.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long. So long.
So this is the garden. So first time na pumunta dito sa the garden. Sa labas siya ng ano.
Maybe later.
Mainit lang ngayon, pero ang ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng view. Garden nga. First time na namin. Kaya lumabas lang.
Got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, caught my eye. Whatever, should I cross that line? I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
So guys, dito tayo sa labas. So dito sa likuran ko, merong what do you call this? It's Thrill Escape. Ewan ko kung ano, pero parang pang adult siya na ano eh. Hindi siya pwedeng pang bata dahil malalaki. Mataas yung mga ano, pero parang outdoor activities. I don't know if this is a game or what. Parang ano eh, no? Intense yung mga ano kasi sounds pa lang dito. And yung itsura niya. Oh, kung kailangan dito eh kondisyon ng iyong katawan. They need to reach that ano. You need to grab it like that. Wow!
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's
Ha? May kids meal? Wow, there's a kids meal? Hi, ma'am. What did you order, ma'am?
Two-piece ano?
So that's a two-piece, their famous grilled chicken
Yeah.
with salsa. And ako naman is, of course, with coleslaw. We ordered that one extra. Let's wait for your order. And this one, what I ordered is chicken rice bowl. So, minix ko na lang siya, guys. Kanina nakano siya. So, meron siyang parang ano, chicken chunks, yung boneless. And some vegetables, onion, corn with this aglio na pinor ko kanina. So, I also ordered four seasons juice. So, hinintay na lang namin yung kiddie meal ni Martina. So, that's a kiddie meal. Oh. Ayun. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, I'm gonna eat the corn, okay? So guys, ayun, let's eat, let's try.
Still hot look.
But it's yummy.
You want the gravy?
It's what?
Try it. Still hot. Taste muna.
Ano to? Mexican resto or Spanish, ano?
It's not really ano.
Yun, Spanish yung lasa.
cause everybody you meet is dangerous. Factors will break your heart. Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And
So, mami, may mga na-add na restaurant? Alin?
lose her for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush.
Ano po ba graduation niya?
Yes po, Gadi. And birthday.
Happy birthday. Anong pangalan mo?
Martina.
Martina.
What will you say?
Happy birthday. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am. Salamat po. Sir, thank you very much po. Yay, we have like that. So, what else is in there?
I don't know what is inside.
You don't know? So, they gave you a present. So, what else?
Cake.
Yeah,
They gave Martina cake.
What? Even though this ano, mommy, oh look. There's a balloon. Wow. So cute.
graduation.
Yay!
Wow.
That is so sweet. Oh, that's why we keep on coming back here. Oh, I think
What will you say to Okada?
Thank you, Okada. I love you, Okada.
Oh, you said that.
So we're ready to swim. We are the, what family are we?
Bob family.
Rove family daw. Mga Donut Donya. Oh, look at mommy there. Okay, and also me. And also Martina also wearing her robe. And we're gonna swim sa bathtub.
No, I'm not gonna swim with the bathtub. I'm gonna swim sa pool. Don't listen to
No,
me.
bathtub lang, bathtub.
No.
So, we're going down na.
We are
Third
the
floor.
Rome family. You wear your eyeglasses first.
No, I don't like
Ay.
that.
Going to swim sa bathtub lang.
No, I'm not gonna swim sa bathtub.
Open sesame. Okay, thank you. So, wow. It's raining na. Let's go back. Let's go back. It's raining na. Oh, no, it's not. It's raining nga. No joke. Yeah, it's raining na.
Oh, yeah.
Base pa ng ano. Ayun, actually, ito Han, di ba pwede? Diyan tayo. Meron pang ano.
Dito yung mababaw.
Mababaw yan, yes. That's just mababaw. I think Martina wants to swim there, sa mababaw. You want it there? Hey, man. Good afternoon. Huh? Even you gonna swim also. Yeah, I guess Kuya is letting us go there, right there. That's our spot. Hey, ma'am. Yay! Yun nga eh. Wow, mommy's gonna swim. Hi. Hi. Oh, you go nito, mommy. Come on. Ano?
Nakikita ba yun?
Oo. So guys, we're done swimming. Tomorrow naman.
It looks bright here, but it's actually dark.
It's actually dark na, yes. And what time is it na ba? I think it's already...
Going 7.
It's almost 7. So, dark na nga. See? There's a Manila Bay. Mommy.
Then you say it looks like it's the morning, you say, but it's actually night. Look at the sky.
It's nighttime. Yeah. So, when are we going back here? Swimming
Tomorrow.
on Wednesday.
No, tomorrow,
Oh.
not on Wednesday.
Okay. Bye. Dinner naman. Bihis muna, then dinner. Saan na naman kayo kakain?
Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time? Overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make up my mind? Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet.
So guys, kaya lumabas kami ulit kasi alam mo yun naman na may ano dito paggabi yung fountain show. So manonood ulit kami. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you pa kami. Thank you, ma'am. Hi. Hello.
Lalamig.
Hi guys. So habang naghihintay kami ng order, tingnan mo, yung isa after mag-swimming. Chile! May na-knock out. Napagod. Ayun na kasi, konti lang yung tulog niya kanina sa biyahe sa car. Pero andito na yung ano na. Yung tempura niya nandyan na.
Crush.
Okay, so guys, try natin yung we ordered a pork liver. The best. Ano pa? Japanese spicy na the best. You're awake na. Kanina you fell asleep. You fell asleep kanina. You're napagod. Na, but do you like the tempura? I like it. Hi guys. The tutulogis. They're still tulog. Hey, wake up. Hey, sure. Morning na. We're going home. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's
It's time to go home na.
time to go home.
No, it's Tuesday.
Good morning. Morning.
Kanina, but now it's a Cocoa Crunch.
Oreo kanina, but now it's Cocoa Crunch.
Mommy, I want Oreo puppies.
Oreo kanina, now it's Cocoa Crunch.
Good morning, guys. Tina's having her breakfast.
I'm early breakfast.
Early breakfast. It's late breakfast na.
It's Hello everybody, so we're all dressed up na naman for our second day. And ready na si Martina? Ready na me? And ready na rin si Mami. Oh, we're all dressed up.
For lunch.
Time for lunch na daw. Where we're going to eat? Okay, I go. Oh. Go, 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 Martina. Come on, you can do it. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. No, no, a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Go, 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 Martina. You can do it. Oh. Next time. We didn't get any, Mommy.
What?
We didn't get any. They gave you what?
They gave me.
You show it to me. Here, show it to me.
They gave him.
They gave you a cookie. What will you say to Nonos?
Take another.
Hi guys. So what we're gonna do today
We're
again?
gonna swim here.
We're gonna swim
at the
again.
We're gonna swim at the
For what? 4-star?
four swimming
4 feet.
4 feet.
So we're gonna swim
I
again.
know how to swim in the 4 feet already.
Okay.
Not
So we're
at-
gonna
not
swim
at
again.
The 2 feet.
So she's not gonna swim dun sa pambata daw, sa kiddie pool. And she's gonna swim dun sa adult pool na daw.
Yeah.
Cause she knows how to swim. Okay, we're gonna swim again.
Yeah. We're gonna touch the water.
You can go farther, Mommy. Woo! Good job. So, mas maganda yung napili naming place ngayon. Yung binigay na place ngayon. Kasi kahapon, we're staying there sa mga yun, sa mga doon na they're gonna open it. Like, yun, yung mga tong umbrella. Pero ang binigay sa amin ngayon na available is this. Tada! Solo namin yan. After mag-swimming guys, so nagutom. So, we're going to eat, Mommy. Ano yung order natin?
Nachos. Loaded
Chedeng
nachos.
loaded nachos. And got hungry? Got hungry and of course, tikim-tikim din tayo. Citrus yan, ano? What's the name of this one? Amaretto, something. Sarap. Choose. You want that one? What's that? Can you show me? It's a watermelon. Guys. Martina, are you happy na?
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's still hot. Still hot.
Are your hands clean? Will you wait for your rice?
Rice, yeah. It's still hot.
Let's go back to the pool.
Be careful.
Why are you putting it down?
Okay, we're gonna try the Goryeo restaurant. We haven't been there yet. I guess they're closed.
Wala kayong pag-asama na lang yung red spice.
Dahil nag-close na ang Goryeo restaurant, di na kami umabot. Dito rin kami napunta sa Red Spice again.
Sorry, I already ate already.
She ate already na kanina sa Enbu, the Japanese restaurant, right? Okay, so kaya dito kami umabot. So dito na kami magdi-dinner naman ni Katie. Siniserve ni ko dim sum. Dim sum.
Okay na.
Guys, it's already night, and we're going to our room, and we're gonna, and mommy and daddy are holding hands. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, say good night
Let's
na.
go. Good night, everybody.
Good morning, guys. So, magche-check out na kami ngayon. Bihis na. Look at where we're paano pag tatlo tayong pare-pareho? Twinning pa ba yun? Training.
Wala na
We all wear
Our
stripes. Even mommy, look. I'm with the two Koreans. I got the mommy Koreana and I got a baby Korean.
안녕하세요.
Kamukha rin sa inyo. Sige, bye-bye. Bye. Thank you, Okada. See you next time again.
I don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. I like my toast done on one side, and you can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York.
So, Martina, where are we? Mall of Asia again, yeah. So after our checkout sa Okada, we will pasyal here
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Everywhere I walk, I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. If manners make it matter, someone said, then he's a hero of a day. It takes a man to suffer ignorance and smile. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Modesty, propriety can lead to notoriety. You could end up as the only one. Gentleness, sobriety are rare in this society. At night, a candle's brighter than the sun. Takes more than a combat kit to